Zhang Zeduan. Zhang Zeduan, style name Jingdao, was a native of Zhucheng in Shandong province. He studied for civil examinations when he was young and spent some time furthering his education in the capital Kaifeng. He later changed career and learned painting, specializing in the Jihua tradition. During the reign of Emperor Hezong of Northern Song, Zhang served in the Imperial Painting Academy. According to records, he was particularly talented in depicting ships, carts, markets, and bridges. His Along the River during the Qingming Festival has long been admired by scholars and connoisseurs throughout history. The painting was pronounced a divine work as early as the 12th century. Certainly a Northern Song masterpiece by a grandmaster.
Hello po, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Ito pa rin po tayo at nandito na tayo sa last part ng aking na-videohang mga Lego bricks. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na nandito. Maraming salamat po.
Kaifeng. Kaifeng was regarded as the eastern capital of the Northern Song. It was also known as Beongjing, the capital of Bian River. Under Emperor Hezong, Kaifeng developed into the most prosperous and glamorous metropolis in the empire. The economy flourished during a peaceful time, and entertainment was plentiful to denizens of Kaifeng. The multifaceted material and philosophical cultures of Kaifeng was well documented in textual evidence, such as Dongjing Menghualu, the eastern capital, a dream of splendor, and pictorial evidence such as Along the River during the Qingming Festival.
Ayan po, at patuloy pa rin po tayo sa panunood. Naka 2 minutes pa lang po tayo at ang video ko pong ito ay umabot po ako ng 8 minutes and 25 seconds. So ito na po, as I said earlier, na nandito na po tayo sa last part ng aking pag-video dito sa mga Lego bricks, na kung saan ay nakakatuwa lang dahil nga po sa nasungkit nila na magandang record. Ayan, patuloy po tayo.
Andy Hung, Lego Certified Professional. Andy Hung, the first Chinese Lego Certified Professional, is proudly the only Lego Certified Professional throughout the Greater China region. He is a full-time artist who works exclusively with Lego bricks at his studios in Hong Kong and Beijing, China. Andy has over 10 years of experience being the coordinator and creator of Lego exhibitions co-organized by the Lego brand and its partners, including top-level premium shopping malls in Hong Kong and China, government organizations, as well as corporate clients. Notable creations by Andy go from large-scale architecture models to sculptures and mosaics, with many of them showcased to appreciators in Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, and Denmark. Andy's exhibitions have attached more than 5 million visitors in Hong Kong and China, while his media coverage has already generated over 12 million impressions. His creations appreciated to and more appreciated by a vast range of audiences, including young children and adults.
Ayan, at patuloy pa rin po tayo dahil tayo ay naka 3 minutes pa lang out of 8 minutes of video. So, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan lahat ng mga nakijoin sa aking video, nakinood at nag-play, nag-replay. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat na po nag-enjoy kayo sa aking munting kakayanan sa pag-video sa mga Lego bricks na ito, na kung saan ay talagang isang nagbibigay ng isang malaking karangalan sa Hong Kong dahil nasungkit po nila ang isang title na Guinness World of Record dahil dito sa isang painting na ito na ginawa nila into parang katotohanan through Lego bricks. So for those young individual na umabot sila ng almost 1,000 young individuals ang nakikipagtulungan para mabuo nila ang isang obra na ito. I just want to say you guys are so amazing dahil po sa inyong talent ay nabuo po ninyo ito. Could you imagine, sa mga maliliit na Lego ay nabubuo ninyo yung mga ganyan, mga malalaking tao, mga bahay, mga panda. So parang napaka-ano talaga, napaka-amazing talaga yung trabaho nila. Yung mga kahoy, kung nakikita ninyo, yung kahoy na yan, ano yan, puro yan mga Lego. So, grabe talaga yung pasensya nila. So, ayun, congratulations lang talaga sa lahat ng mga naki-join dito. Hong Kong people are so amazing. Ayan. So, congratulations. At nawa po'y sa susunod makakakita pa rin po tayo ng mga ganitong display. Huwag po kayong mag-alala dahil sisilipin ko yan at ibibigay ko rin po sa inyo. Isi-share ko rin po sa inyo. At malapit na rin po tayo magtapos. Maraming salamat po once again sa inyong support sa kay Zeros It's K. Sa lahat ng mga present ngayon sa premiere na ito at sa mga magre-replay, sa aking mga kagrupo, maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. At tayo po ay patuloy pa rin po nagsusuportahan. Though pag Wednesday and Friday talagang uulitin ko po, hindi talaga ako makasupport sa inyong mga premiere, hindi talaga ako makadot-dot, pero nandyan lang po ako sa playlist. Dahil nga po mahirap na tayo magdodot-dot dahil mayroong amo. Kaya yun lang po talaga yung support ko pag Monday. Uulitin ko po pag Monday kasi yun talaga ang aking day off. So nakakaupo ako sa harap ng aking laptop at lahat ng mga nagsisipila dyan sa kay Sir Hefty talagang aking niyang masasabayan. Pag Wednesday and Friday, nagsiset pa rin po ako ng premiere pero ang aking ginagawa ay mostly replay lang talaga. So sana po maintindihan at pasensya na po talaga kung hindi ako nakakadot-dot pero nandyan po ako sa playlist. So maraming salamat po and mega love shoutout sa lahat. At nandito na rin po tayo, naabot na po natin yung pinaka last part ng aking Lego bricks. So maraming pong salamat. Ito po si Zeros It's K at sana po hindi kayo magsawa sa pag-support sa aking channel at ako din po ay nandyan lang po sa inyong mga channel sa pamamagitan ng pag-replay. So, yan lang po talaga ang aking magagawa unless siguro mag-for good ako at doon magiging ma-focus ko na yung pag-YT. So, for now, na nandito may trabaho pa rin po tayo, ang aking YT ay nagsusupport lang po talaga ako dahil hindi. And lastly, gusto ko lang po talaga magpasalamat from the bottom of my heart, Sir Hefty Falyar na maraming salamat po sa malaking tulong sa aking channel. Nawa po'y hindi po kayo magsawa sa pag-support sa aming mga mumunting channel. Maraming pong salamat talaga sa inyo. At kung wala po kayo ay talagang hindi po talaga mabibigyan ng buhay ang aming mga maliliit na channel. So once again, maraming pong salamat. Sir Hefty Falyar na, salute po sa inyo. And with that being said, bye-bye!